Kia tu pen kontai ko repli Karbi Anglong pen West Karbi Anglong angkang angkir kepha hitikolat ingkir kling. RMSD Model School kikim kirang kipatang jia panrat angnuke cuba jamir kaceca. Wildlife Sanctuary Apothak Sojeng Thenta Lapen Duar Baguri Constituency Arat CM Apan Pinpura Loke Pajir. Kardom Mid Express Berta ke Than Bangnili Villarban Kropi Nonar Joikta Bertang Ton Pen Karbi Anglong Lapen West Karbi Anglong Angkang Pai Kuni ni Pai Troxy Arni Kontai ko repli PDC ke asong tum kangkir ke papen ingkir kling pusi perang ke tumpen Berta nang pale PDC ke asong tumpen Karbi Anglong Lapen West Karbi Anglong along Kontai ko repli an kangkir ke paing samjin lang Karbi Anglong along Havartin along Sitame hitikulat ingkir klak Lapen National Highway 3639 Lapen Asian Highway atawar motor celengjai Halapu West Karbi Anglong along Sitame hitikulat ante ingkir lapuse birta nangle Lapen non amat ke nahok ta suluk sodaga birta velang Pai Kuni ni Pai Trok Arni West Karbi Anglong Chintong Block ke Parlo Socheng MSC Constituency Angkang Hamren Rong Supiben Kilometer Trok si an kahelo along Minister of Human Resource and Development ke Parlo Rashtriya Madhyamik Shiksha Abhiyan pen Model School ahem kikim kirang patang serak nangji pusi hawar arat atum pen kehang
Pinpur में किदम तंग सुरहिनी रसिर के बनिंकान मालूम EM रूप सिंह टेरोन BLCC member लाहौर क्रो लपेन कार्डी तंग सार्थेती सो तुमपेन कचेपदु अजोक से तिरके में हवार along चिंथोंग Model School Chepalong Dunlo. Labang so school along Information and Communication Technology School along also Lokacharya Pohamate Girl Hostel Inclusive Education for Disabled at Secondary Stage Lapen Vocational Education RMSESI Hem along Longji. Pinpur me labang so hem kedam tang Karbingong Termes Council REV Allotment 2011 513 Aluateng si pothot Longley Chiri Thongkebra Pota Surihini Rakrehnia Ninkan Arkoya Chiklo Nipai Inkoresi Arnipen Puthot Surihini Rakrekethoma Ninkan Pre Chiklo Pen Kam Chenglo Labang so akam keklem Kepa Langdunjia Panta Hamren PWD Building STO Pan Arpu Pilo Bonsita Mea Kamabang Koan Luma Ketang Nangjia Teng Tang Tedet Pusi Tirkima Howard Chirok Togarada Tumpen Akoy P Pini Perangke Kelang Dam Pen Kachinia Tenke Chokidar Mohori Nagaland Pen Si Mar Au Lapen Headmistress Midrul Islam Lapen Subcontractor Ke Chuba Jamir Achor Lapen Asopi Amparta Bangpokep Sai Kachongda de Tumapan Chetong Dam
Bahawate mane eta to kaam to howa nai etu bahawate manu school mane madote amar jitun contractor asile temu bemar asile bile koise he pressure stroke hoisile bile koisile etu kotha etu karone bile olap din kaam to bon hoise moi nale ei hisabot to bhal thakile to mane kaam aru agbhai bole ase mukhya time di bon ha etu karone malik to koisile pressure stroke hoisile kaam to karone bon hoise ke asol contractor kon asol contractor to moi to income
bill also not fitting, so if possible, if release the bill in time, we'll finish early as possible, and we'll try to finish early as possible. Construction site leveling was started in the year of 2014, last part December. But the main building was started 2015.
Alang nitum kam ke tang thek therek ke GST ke dokok bill apora teng ke long lepen ke chenglok pran ke mimidet pen ke so kachelang nang ajok pusi pherang ke no chethandun CM barim Joyraming leng Karbingong Termes Council kechari hotsi labang so school ahem ke kim jiapan long e som tekanglo lasinon alang liputhot BJP pen MLA anghoy kilik kachedan ke hai pen labang so hema puthak misen pen ke kim ke patang da prang jiapan chelang dun tua sonte mepar jipusi hawara radatum pen tuning report.
Socheng Thenta Lapen Duar Baguri Constituency Arat Paikuni ni Pai Trok Arni Karbi Anglong Termes Council CM Tuliram Rong Hangapan Pinpura Lopa Jirpen Wildlife Sanctuary Bilong Lipusi Kamkepon
Socheng Denta lapen Duarbaguri constituency along Wildlife Sanctuary Kibijia Pan ingnam Raikomasai campaign kachepari deng akamamo ingto nang jipusi constituency hini arat Carbing Long Temes Council a CM Tuliram rong hangapan ipak pinpur alopen pachini lai hini constituency along Kajironga National Park kapaking pen Wildlife Sanctuary Kibijia lam pawi mate cancel nangpo. Carbing Long ar Kajironga National Park bilong late po alam 1997 aningkan Carbing Long Temes Council pen Assam Sorkarapan pachini tanglo. Wildlife Sanctuary Kibijia lam ke la constituency hini along kido akarbia pan katerek lapen kapasik sagji pu apan anchot lopusi rongasor pinpur alo along ningje.
Non malam sopor pandin parman birdamo inton ponik sinang.
Turkimi outlet opposite LDRB Difu Carbing Long, Assam. 10% off in every kitchen and dining items like Hawkins, Flux, Milton, Treo, Shreya Iron, etc. 10% off in makeup and cosmetic products. And grocery items.
Please step in. Malin Showroom. All kind of Karbi traditional and handloom handicrafts and ornaments are available here, along with gents, ladies and kids garments are also available here. Malin Showroom, MG Road, Main Market, opposite TOP. For more details, contact 9435433011. Ganj, Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo. Lasinang litum Arniwang kenang sot kecho ason la penthesire alang hithi gulat along longpon ikji. Kang sirtang kijun alang, tharwe alang, theso alang, kecho ajam tu, tharmit aduk, thelua kreng, chitronola, ukthor pen chenglok ongdung hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji. Dihinamo Piputhot Birtalong Bangthulo. Non Hejong West Carbing Long District Bitung Hawar, Rajendra Memorial LP School Hem along Garulo Charlie Asongatum Penchipatir Piponsi, Pong Deng face to face aja Mekipado Pon Pusi Kat News Apparent Birani Hipen Birtanang Pali. Garo lo charya song dun maipu Santa Sangma pen kechari pon amayalong aluhi aman pen kachetong dun Tura Meghalaya Nihu pen Professor Dr. Jacqueline Marak, Dr. Dokaksi Marak, Faculty Professor Dorothy Marak, Garo Union ME School Headmaster Petition Marak atum pen Kendall Kaisi face to face ajai mekipang chengpon along Buteshwar Bordoloi penta chetong dun jai mek ateng pen face to face along lo charya riswe jang atum pen ason karju padopon lo charya ausumar atum pen karju pon along alohia man pen gachetong dun University along lo than bang atum pen lamthe pachini dun thu lo kachorli bomari swe jang atum aphan akenang sora lama puthak Dorothy Marak hin pen lamthe jai pon face to face ajai megipa dopon along Kheroni apherang ki buren ing hila pen pherang ki Omega mominatum pensi langchari dun lo Achik Cultural Society amai puni harson sangma garolo charli asonga bidisar bijen sangma pen chenglok pinang ana bang phubang phiatum chetong dun Karbi Anglong along le puthot Meghalaya Sarkar atum towar kasalam pen long le kachirai jia phan patir pipon lilo.
Karbi Anglong along kido arleng ki theka chikrong abang pu bang phiatum Karbi Anglong along le bang aphan chujeng badjer along le ta pipipu kaningje kong aporahut Karbi Anglong arlo towar kasalam pensi Meghalaya soratum long le kachirai jia phan non malom kamamo patir pipon. West Karbi Anglong jerikedeng thanang kang Borata hawar moikropen kilometer hinialong towar kimi kasalam pen non malom long le kachirai kam dode sang se son si thekpon long. Arnia por kido hot Karbi Anglong asor ing bip charchak tunok ver pulote Karbi Anglong along le kilometer ner kepalong le adangke Meghalaya parlupon detpo baithalang sopen jesoning hia berta cut news.
Mid Express berita Bangila Pansikang Ton Poniklo, live of the Car News Channel, Dome Takmi, Kurwang 2.